guys, it's Dr. Lorraine. I'm here with Clay at the Coastal Creative new warehouse. This place is amazing. I met Clay out at the Kite Beach one day and we've gotten to know each other, and I'm really excited for you guys because their business has grown and they're a local St. Pete business and they're just amazing. But today he told me he was really stiff because he's been working so hard and sitting at his desk and catering to all these clients that he takes really good care of. Also playing a lot of music. So he just said he needed an overall adjustment. His history is a mild scoliosis, but he's in general good health and he just needs a tune-up. So we're gonna adjust him. We'll just do it the easy way. All right. Give yourself a big hug, nice tight squeeze.
Ooh, I love myself.
Take a deep breath and let it out. Whoa, you needed it.
Yeah.
Deep breath again and let it out. Wow. You think you needed to be adjusted. There we go. All right.
Wow.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Surviving?
That's crazy.
Try and relax. There's a good sound. That made me feel better. There we go.
What the heck?
Okay, roll on your side. Face me, please.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, good thing you let me know you need an adjustment. Bend this knee, straighten the bottom leg, and keep that right there.
Okay.
Let me see this arm. Okay, right there, relax. There you go, I'm gonna scoot you a little forward.
Okay.
Okay, keep that foot right there. Okay. Take a deep breath and let it out, just let the knee relax. There you go. Flip around the other way, please. It's happening. Straighten this bottom leg.
Straight this one.
Bend here. Good. Let me see this. All right. Just relax.
Okay.
Take a deep breath. Let it go. There we go. All right, my friend.
Am I good?
You're good. How do you feel?
That feels amazing.
No, good.
That was crazy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So now he can go back to his desk job and feel like $1 million.
All right, let's go.